So hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Vedic Maths. Topic which is going to be covered today is multiplication of two-digit number by 9 series.
चलो चलो चलो.
So the first example that we are having is 99 by 82. This is compulsory to write answers from right to left, but for this method we'll write answers from left to right. So the first step is to subtract 82 by 1, that is 81, and we'll write 81 at the leftmost corner. And second step is to subtract 8 from 9 and 2 from 10, like this. And if this seems harder to you, then you can directly subtract 82 by 100. So we'll write 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 2 is 8, so the answer is 8118. So second example is 99 by 74. We'll subtract 74 by 1 and we'll write 73 at leftmost corner. Second step is to subtract 7 by 9 and 4 from 10. So 9 minus 7 is 3 and 10 minus 4 is 6. So the final answer is 7326. Guys, if you are thinking that these topics are easy, then I will tell you that for upcoming videos or sessions this will get more tricky, interesting and harder too, so wait for that.
चलो चलो चलो.
So third example is 99 by 80. We'll subtract 1 from 80, that is 79. We'll write 79 here, and we'll subtract 8 by 9 and 0 from 10. So 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 0 is 10. We cannot write two digits here, so we'll carry over 1 to 1. So answer will be 7920.
ये क्या है?
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
Okay, so fourth example is 99 into 24. We'll subtract 1 from 24, that is 23. We'll write it here, and we'll subtract 2 from 9 and 4 from 10. That is 7 and 6. So 2, 3, 7, 6 is the answer.
अरे तू जा रही.
Okay, so fifth example is 99 into 38. We'll subtract 1 from 38, that is 37. We'll write it here, and we'll subtract 3 from 9 and 8 from 10, that is 6 and 2. So our answer is 3762. Okay, so sixth example is 99 into 56. We'll subtract 1 from 56 and we'll write 55 here. Then we'll subtract 5 from 9 and 6 from 10. Its answer is 44. So our final answer is 5544.
मारो हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो.
Now we'll do them in a faster way. 99 into 84. 84 minus 1 is 83, and 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 4 is 6. So 8316 is the answer.
हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है.
So our eighth example is 99 into 70. We'll subtract 1 from 70, that is 69, and 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 0 is 10. We'll carry over 1, that is 30. So our answer is 6930. Our next example is 99 into 91. We'll subtract 1 from 91, that is 90. Then we'll subtract 9 from 9, that is 0, and then we'll subtract 1 from 10, that is 9. So 9009 is the answer. So our next example is 99 into 91. We'll subtract 1 from 91, that is 90. But then we'll subtract 9 from 9, that is 0, and 1 from 10, that is 9. So 9001 is the answer.
Hi.
Okay, so our 10th example is 99 into 53. We'll subtract 1 from 53, that is 52. Then we'll subtract 5 from 9, that is 4. And then we'll subtract 3 from 10, that is 7. So 5247 is the answer.
मुझे माफ कर दे आप लोग सारे, मुझे छुट्टी दे दे, मैं इस दुनिया से छुट्टी चाहता हूँ आप.
Okay, so our 11th example is 99 into 72. We'll subtract 1 from them, that is 71, and 9 minus 7 is 2 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So our answer is 7128.
कसम वाली बात मैं आपको बताऊं, मुझे पता चला कल रात ये लोग बर्गर खाते रहे हैं, कल रात ये लोग पिज़्ज़े खाते रहे हैं, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਛਡਾਓ ਤੇ ਦੰਗਲ ਲੜਵਾਓ ਇਨਸੇ ਕੋ ਦੰਗਲ ਲੜੇ
So our last example is 99 into 89. We'll subtract 1 from 89, that is 88. Then we'll subtract 8 from 9, that is 1, and 9 from 10, that is also 1. So our answer is 8811. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.